Hello, fellow learners. Want to upgrade your skills in telecom? Join my channel membership program and gain full access to all my courses, including the comprehensive VoLTE course. Click the join button below the video to become a member and unlock your full learning potential today. And now, let's dive into Teletalk number 2, in which we'll be talking about the IMS Nodes Architecture. Have you ever wondered how your voice travels from your phone to the person on the other end of the line? In VoLTE, the answer lies in the IMS nodes. IMS stands for IP Multimedia Subsystem. It's a framework that enables the delivery of multimedia services, including voice and video calls over IP networks. In VoLTE, there are 4 key IMS nodes: the PCSCF, the SCSCF, the ICSCF, and the HSS. The PCSCF, or Proxy Call Session Control Function, is the first point of contact for a VoLTE call. It is responsible for authenticating the user and forwarding the call to the SCSCF. The SCSCF, or Serving Call Session Control Function, is the brain of the IMS network. It manages call routing, call signaling, and call features. It communicates with the PCSCF to authenticate the user and with the HSS to retrieve user profiles. The ICSCF, or Interrogating Call Session Control Function, is responsible for routing the calls to the correct SCSCF. It acts as a central point for call routing within the IMS network. The HSS, or Home Subscriber Server, is the database that stores user profiles. It is used by the SCSCF to retrieve user profiles and determine the appropriate call handling. So the next time you make a VoLTE call, remember that your voice is being carried by the IMS nodes. It's a complex system, but it's what enables high-quality voice and multimedia services over IP networks. Thanks for watching this sample video of my VoLTE and IMS course. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Remember, this is just a glimpse of what you'll get when you join my YouTube membership. As a member, you'll have access to the complete VoLTE course along with all my other telecom and networking resources. Plus, you'll receive regular updates and bonus content. To join, simply click the join button below this video. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take knowledge to the next level. Join my YouTube membership today.